What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
Oh, that happened. My 10 years old son, he gets so crazy with Roblox, and he get so angry and smash. See that he did.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thanks.
Your iPad is ready, sir.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see you again. Thanks.
You're welcome. What's wrong with your phone, you said?
Last night I got drunk as hell, man. My shorty tried to go through my phone. I changed the password. Now I don't remember the password. Phone disabled.
Don't worry, I got you. Connect your USB cable. Press and release volume up button, press and release volume down button, press and hold the power button until you see the iTunes logo appears. This is what you have to see it. Open iTunes. Restore and update. Your phone is ready, sir.
Thank you, boss, man.
You're welcome. What's wrong with your phone, you said?
Yeah, I wanted to see if you can fix this. It's been a couple of years that it's been cracked. My wife left the phone on top of the car, and fortunately we ran it over. But I wanted to see if we can fix it, maybe recover some, because I have some valuable memories in there from the kids. I know it's been 3 or 4 years, but maybe it's something we can do.
Don't worry, I got you. All right. You want the good news, bad news?
Good news first.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. This doesn't work. Your phone is ready.
Look at that.
What?
Unbelievable. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
So what's the bad news? Oh my god.
There is no bad news.
No
Bad
bad
news,
news.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Looks like brand new now.
Brand new. Look at that.
All went from this. All this change. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yo. What's wrong with your phone, you said?
So I dropped it on the highway, found it on Find My iPhone, went back for it, and it was smashed.
You wanna
I
turn
want
this
to
to...
change. Yeah, I want to change it from red to purple too.
Don't worry, I got you. Your phone is ready.
Nah, that's you a beast, bro. Oh, it look new as hell.
Yep. What happened to your phone, man?
Man, I'm embarrassed to say, man, because, you know, I don't even want to talk about it, man. I'm a real estate agent. I'm a professional. My phone shouldn't be looking like this. I shouldn't be going through this.
Wow.
Yep.
Don't worry, bro.
Yeah, I need it fixed so I can get on my job and be on my job, do what I gotta do.
Don't worry.
Get everything done, man.
I got you.
All right.
Sir,
So,
I'm sorry, man. Yeah, this phone.
see, I knew it, man. You said you was gonna be able to do it, bro. That's why I came here. I told you I can't pay for that. You ain't do it.
Your phone is ready, sir.
That's my phone?
That's your phone.
Oh, man, you that guy, man.
Check it.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you,
You're
buddy.
welcome.
Man, I appreciate you, buddy.
What's wrong with your phone, you said?
Yeah, the charger ain't working. Messed up.
What happened?
You know, put it next to some water, little water, got inside of it. Tried to do the bag of rice trick. Little grain got in there. Went to my knife, started doing my own thing. Damaged the inside.
Don't worry. I got you.
You.
Your phone is ready, sir. There we go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And this is
Okay.
the part. Your phone is ready. So,
Wow.
yep. You've been saving your Christmas money, you said?
Yeah, Christmas money and birthday money.
Okay. Can I get the... So how much was the repair?
$90.
$90. So you get your phone fixed. Okay. So you know what I'm gonna do for you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this repair for you for free.
Huh?
Yes.
Yay! Sarah, it's free.
This is my gift
Sarah,
for you.
it's give him a high five.
Okay.
He didn't charge you $90, and he did it for you for free.
Yeah,
yes.
I cannot get that money for her.
Wow.
I'm gonna put you
Sarah,
also
you
screen
happy?
protector too.
Yay! Give him high five, baby girl.
Good.
That's my granddaughter. You got blessed. Yes.
What's wrong with your iPad, you said?
Brand new iPad, not even 2 months old. Nephew dropped it, broke it. This is what happens when we don't use the iPad Defender.
Don't worry,
So-
I got you. Your iPad is ready, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What a great job.
What's wrong with your phone, you said?
My wife and my country roam over the phone and total disaster. So, but the guy is gonna fix it for me. I hope. That's it.
Don't worry, I got you.
All right.
Face ID my work. Chilling here. Say what? Your phone is ready, sir.
Wow, I can't believe it. You fix it. Wow, you're the best of the best. That's why I always come here, because I know you're gonna fix it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong with your phone, you said?
Well, my phone, it cracked. I was at a car wash. I had it in my hand and it dropped. And my phone is blue right now. I would like to have it changed to color purple.
Don't worry, I got you. Your phone is ready.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. I love the color. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.